Hi guys, welcome again to another video. Have you ever changed your winter or summer tires and you felt that the car starts shifting right or left? Or sometimes you feel you had just new tire or the spare tire and the whole geometry and the balance of the car is changed, although the tire looks so fine and everything's okay and the same status was never changed. So today I'm going to talk about this important issue, which is the minor changes of the caoutchouc and the rims. Sometimes the rims will have hits from the pavement or the curbs, and the caoutchouc during storage it will bend, or in summertime it will be overinflated, so it will give you kind of bumps, and this will affect really the balance and the geometry of the whole car. And you will go, you think something wrong with your geometry, and go and pay for the service, and eventually they will just blame the caoutchouc or the rim, and they will change the angles of your suspension and towing and camber, and eventually it was right, the problem was the caoutchouc. So when he say it's the eventual, or maybe the cause is the caoutchouc or the tires or the rims, how would you know? So this is the way how to should know it before you go to geometry, especially when you have such problem. When I mentioned that you never had any problem just after storage and it started shifting. So I'll park the car, make sure that everything safe. You can see it in my other videos how to really jack the car safely. And the idea here is comparison. You can use your finger in a certain distance away from the wheel or a ruler, and you jack the car. And if it's front wheel, you have to put the gear in neutral. If it's the back wheel, you have to release the handbrake. So comparison according to certain point, which is can be finger or ruler. In my case, I'll put just block of wood. I'll put the block of wood away from the tire in around 1 to maximum 2 millimeters, and I will start observing the tire itself and the rim. If the tire have any problem, it will start shifting away and into the block of the wood, or sometimes it can drop it. If you can see here, it's uniform, although I'm holding the camera in my hands, but the uniform distance, there's no change. It's circular, uniform shape, the rotation. And now I'll put the rim into the test. So I will put just reference, virtual reference. I'll put the angle of the block against the edge of the rim itself. And I will start spinning. And after spinning, you will see that everything is okay, which means your rim is okay, which means your tires are okay. What I stored my winter tires in wrong way, and it seemed like it bent the lowest one, the lowest caoutchouc. So after I changed the winter tires, I went to the service because the car starts shifting. Although I have the pressure okay, everything's okay, same wheels, same screws, and the service eventually played with my car balance and geometry, and eventually he blamed the caoutchouc because it kept drifting, it kept shifting to the right, and eventually he blamed the caoutchouc. So I lost the factory and geometry which I had from this car, and I had to lose a lot of money to eventually realize that the caoutchouc was wrong, and the right solution was to exchange the wheels, not to play with the geometry on wrong rim or wrong caoutchouc. This is what I had with this car, especially that it's very narrow 16-inch wheel. I hope you benefit from my experience and find this video useful. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and if you don't, at least you have this experience said to you, so you don't have to face it again or lose money. So see you in other videos. For the meantime, bye bye.